Hello people, welcome to Man United Gang, back again with another video. Now in this video we are going to talk about how Manchester United play in a 2-1 win against Brighton. And generally I was happy when we won the game. We made a comeback and won the game, but I was not really impressed with the first half. In the first half we started very well in the first 10 to 15 minutes. But after that, we did not play well up to half-time. Then we went for half-time. I don't know what Ole Gunnar told the players, but when the players came back, we really played very well and we managed to score 2 goals in the second half. So I want also you to tell me what you think about how we played and how the game was. But to me, I'm very happy with the performance and also the 3 points that we took from that game. But just to start with the players, we are going to look at how individual players performed. Then after that, we will do the ratings of each player out of 10, 5 being the average. Then finally we will finish with the man of the match. Now we are going to start with the individual players. We are going to start with the goalkeeper, that is Dean Henderson. So Ole Gunnar decided to go with Dean Henderson instead of David De Gea. Now, how do I think Dean Henderson played? Dean Henderson did not do anything wrong. I think he played very well. In fact, he did not have anything to do in the second half, but in the first half he made a very good save, but Welbeck followed up and scored. But I cannot blame him because he really tried, so I think he played very well. What about Aaron Wan-Bissaka? Aaron Wan-Bissaka as our right back, I don't think he had a very good game. That is according to me. Especially going forward, he could not deliver quality crosses inside the box, and that really cost us. But all in all, I think he had a decent game, but not the best game for him. Then what about Victor Lindelof? I cannot remember what mistake he did, so that means Victor Lindelof played particularly very well. And I want to say defensively we looked shaky, but we became solid after some time. But all in all, I think Victor Lindelof had a decent game. What about Harry Maguire, our skipper? Our skipper almost gave out a penalty, but lucky enough, VAR ruled that out, and so we survived. If Brighton were given that penalty, then I think the game would have been over. But I want to thank the VAR for making the correct decision, and therefore we did not concede the penalty. But what do I think about his performance? His performance was not bad, and I can say it was just average. What about Luke Shaw as our left back? We know that recently Luke Shaw has been our most important player, and therefore I think he did very well. Luke Shaw did very well, and I was very happy with him. He was able to push forward. He was making some runs, and that is very good for the left back. So I think Luke Shaw did very well. What about the midfield? In the midfield we had Fred and Pogba. So they were our midfield double pivot. So when we start with Fred did not have a good game. According to me, I think Fred did not have a good game. He really struggled, especially in the first half, but in the second half, he became better and better. What about Paul Pogba? Paul Pogba, I can say he had a decent game. He did not have his best game, but I think it was a decent game, and I thank him for that. He played very well. I have no problem with him. Then we move to the front. Marcus Rashford played decently. I cannot say that he played very well because he did not play according to how I know Marcus Rashford plays. But I think it is because of the injury that he has. Marcus Rashford is playing with an injury, and that is not good. Marcus Rashford should be left to stay at home and fully recover before he features into any game. But all in all, I think Marcus Rashford did not have a good game. Even though he got a goal, I thank him for that, but he did not perform according to the expectations. What about Bruno Fernandes? Again, also in the first half, he was not good. He could not find spaces to operate in, but I thank him for giving an assist for the first goal that Marcus Rashford scored. And that is what Bruno Fernandes can do when the situation you think is going against you. But all in all, I think he had a decent game, but not a good game. But thanks to him, we managed to find an equalizer. Then, what about Mason Greenwood on the right? I think this young lad did very well. He really performed very well. As a youngster, he managed to fire in a shot in the first half that hit the post. Then in the second half, he made a very good run that helped him to squeeze in a header, and that was very good of the youngster. So I think he played very well. What about Edinson Cavani as our number 9? I think Edinson Cavani did not have a good game, but I cannot blame Edinson Cavani. I cannot blame him because our number 9 does not get any service whatsoever, and that is what makes him and any other player that plays in that position to struggle for goals and even to hold or get the ball. So I think Cavani did not have a good game, and it is because he did not get any service at all. So that is what I think about the general performance of our players. Now I want us to move to the ratings out of 10. Remember I said that 5 is the average. So we'll start again with the goalkeeper, that is Dean Henderson. He had a good game. I said he did not do anything wrong. He had an average game, so I think I will rate him 5 out of 10. What about Aaron Wan-Bissaka? I said he was not good, particularly when it comes to going forward, so I think I'm going to give Aaron Wan-Bissaka a 4 out of 10. He was below average. Then Victor Lindelof, I think he did well. He did not do any mistakes, so I don't think he had a bad game, and I think I'm going to rate him 6 out of 10. What about Harry Maguire? Harry Maguire, he almost gave out a penalty, but thanks to VAR, the penalty was ruled out. So I think, again, Harry Maguire, apart from that incident, he did not have a bad game, and therefore I will rate him 6 out of 10. What about Luke Shaw? Luke Shaw has been our best left back. He has been one of our best players in the pitch, and therefore yesterday also he played very well. He went forward, he went back to defend, so I think Luke Shaw did very well, and I'm going to give him a 7. What about the midfield? In the midfield, we had Fred and Pogba. I said Fred did not have a good game. He was below average, even though he improved in the second half, but I think Fred did not have a good game. So I will give him a 4 out of 10. Fred was below average yesterday. What about Paul Pogba? Paul Pogba played very well. I cannot remember anything wrong that he did apart from the mistake that he did and Brighton scored. But all in all, Paul Pogba played very well, and I'm going to give him a 6. Then we move in the front. In the front, Marcus Rashford, I said apart from scoring a goal, I don't think he had a good game. So Marcus Rashford was average, and I think it is because of the injury. But I know he did something good yesterday by scoring, and I thank him for that. So I will rate him 5 out of 10. What about Bruno Fernandes? Bruno Fernandes, again, I said he did not have a good game, especially in the first half, but in the second half he managed to get spaces, and therefore he gave an assist that Rashford scored. But still, I don't think he had a good game. He had an average game, and I will give him not a 5 but a 6 because of just the assist that he gave. Then Mason Greenwood, he was our best player on the pitch yesterday. He managed to squeeze in an header that led to the winning goal, and that is good of the youngster. But I think this youngster played very, very well. So Mason Greenwood gets an 8 for me, 8 out of 10. Then what about Cavani? Cavani, I said he did not get any service and therefore he did not perform very well. He was below average, and Cavani will get 4 out of 10. So let me know also what you think about how I have rated our players for the game yesterday. But according to me, I think that is how they all performed. Then there came in the substitutes. So Marcus Rashford went out and Dan James came in. Dan James did not get enough time to do anything spectacular, but of course I like his energy and tenacity. He did very well, so I will just give him an average mark, that is 5 out of 10. Then again, another substitute that came in, Cavani went out, Donny van de Beek came in. Donny van de Beek, I was very happy to see this man on the pitch. He has not been getting time to play, at least he got 10 minutes of play. That is very good to see. But he did not do that much because of the time, but I can give him 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10, that is an average performance. Then another substitute came in, that is Paul Pogba went out. Scott McTominay came in again. He did not have enough time to do anything, but still he managed to at least make us win the game. But I will give him an average score, and that is 5 out of 10. Then what about our manager, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer? Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, in the first half he did not get it right, but at least in the second half he said something during the halftime that made the players to change the game, and we managed to win the game. So Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, according to me, will get a 6 out of 10. So let me know also your ratings in the comment section, how you rated the players during this match. But to me, that is how I think they performed. I want to thank you for participating in the video. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.